Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm a stop on the Trinity Stamps YouTube Hop, celebrating their 6th birthday. I'm sharing a quick and easy shaped card using the cute Sunshine standalone die set from the new release. Since this is a video hop, I did want to keep things quick and simple so you could get going to the next hop stop, but I'll also share 2 other ways to use this die set at the end of the video. If you couldn't tell, it's one of my favorites. So let's get started. The Sunshine die set comes with 2 pieces to create the sun, sunglasses, a smile, and a fun sentiment with an outline and shadow layer. First, I take a top folding card base and arrange the sun outline on the folded edge of the card. I let a little bit of the die hang over the folded edge when I tape it in place, which will create the fold of my shaped card. When I run the die through my die cutting machine, you're left with this fun shaped card base. Next, it's time to do some more die cutting. The only ink I'm using on this card is for the sentiment inside. First, I use a gold glitter cardstock to die cut the sun outline again. This time I cut the entire shape out. When I layer it over the card base, the gold glitter cardstock hides the fold. Next, I die cut the circle from yellow cardstock, the sunglasses frame and smile from glossy black cardstock, and the lenses from a holographic silver cardstock. Since my card base is small, I'm including the sentiment on the inside of the card rather than the front. I stamped 2 words from the Simply Sentimental hug set to start my sentiment. I use black ink in my MISTI to stamp inside the card. When I'm adding stamping inside my card base, I like to do the stamping first so that I can redo things if I get a smudge or the stamping isn't clear. And now it's time to put the simple die cut card together. I start by adding adhesive to the top of the card base. Then I line up the gold glitter cardstock and adhere it on top. Next, I add the yellow circle and sunglasses frame. I add adhesive inside the frames to add the lenses and finish with a cute smile. I really love that the holographic cardstock changes colors when you tilt it. It really makes them look like sunglasses. Finally, I die cut the rest of my sentiment from Simply Sentimental Hugs from black and gold glitter cardstock and adhere the outline to the shadow layer before adding it to the inside of my card. And I love this set so much that I created 2 more cards using it. The first one uses only the sunglasses. I die cut them several times from a coral and teal palette of cardstock and added black lenses. I also used the Hello Sunshine sentiment from the set and finished each pair of glasses with little crystals in the corner and a couple of accents with a white gel pen. And I created a similar card to my first, but I made this one a shaker using reflecting sunshine gem embellishments and a sentiment from Simply Sentimental Hello. And that's 1 die set and 3 different cards. I love when I can get lots of different uses out of 1 die. And that's it. You can find more information on the products I used and your next hop stop in the YouTube description below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, make sure you click the bell so you're notified the next time I post. Here are a few more videos you might be interested in, and until next time, have a fantastic day and happy crafting. Bye!